don't know if you could hear that thunder, but listen to the rain. It hadn't rained here in a month, at least. And I also wanted to add the web zapper. I happened to think about it. I haven't been here in a month because it's been so darn hot. But get you a stick and you can kind of wave it in front of you. That's what I do. And as you walk along, it will take the big old spider webs that'll eat you up as you're walking through the woods. And as I was coming down the hill, it saved me from 2 arachnophobic events. So listen to the rain. It's so nice.